Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. On here, I am figuring out how to get out of this debt. We are doing the cash stuffing, we are tracking our money, and we are doing what we can to be good stewards of our money, okay? So if you do enjoy content like that, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button. If you do enjoy these type of videos, then I hope you consider hitting that like button. And if you have your 2 cents that you want to drop down in the comment box below, I encourage it. Go ahead, let me know how you feeling. What are your thoughts? What would you do different? What would you do now, you know? And so please comment down below, because again, love to hear you. Once you add your 2 cents to my 98, we can make $1, because we can do a whole lot with $1. But as you guys can see, today we are cash stuffing this money. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay y'all, so today we are cash stuffing this money right here, and we are just gonna count it up and then fix them correctly and put them in our cash tray. So today we are stuffing, fix it up. Y'all, it's, man, one thing I hate is a love-hate relationship with money. What is this? Why is this sticky? See, love-hate relationship with this money, because on one hand, yay, and on the next hand, why is this sticky? Like, please, somebody, anybody, please tell me, why are we sticky? Let's make sure. Okay, and why are you bent? See, this like your mama asking, why your clothes look like that? Why is your clothes like that? Okay, this is all the dollars. Come on, dollar. This is the dollars. If they don't make dollars, it don't make sense, you know? This is the 5s. These are the 10s. And these are the 20s. Okay, so today we are cash stuffing 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So today we are cash stuffing $100. Let me put these over here. And mainly this is for cash envelope stuffing purposes. Not cash envelope stuffing purposes, but for saving challenges. That's what this is for. So if y'all thought I wasn't gonna bring my binders, y'all got the wrong one, okay? We still gonna make this happen. So over here I have all my binders. These are my cash envelope binders and my sinking fund binders. I don't need these two, so I'm gonna put them over to the side, because y'all, I could have put money in my emergency fund or something yesterday. I totally forgot about that because I'm so focused on these. And these are my saving challenge binders. So this is the 100 envelope saving challenge, which I got off of Amazon. The link is going to be linked down below for the things that I got, so you guys can use it. And then this is my other saving challenges in here. So the saving challenges that we're going to be doing today is the 2 that I have currently running. So the first one I have currently running is a 10 of a kind saving challenge, where you send 10, I don't know why I was saying that. You save, gosh, girl, speak. You save 10 of each denomination, right? And so I haven't saved any 50s or any 100s, because girl, big bills, okay? Big bills. I have saved a couple 20s, and I've saved all the 5s. Have I saved all the 10s? Yeah, I think I might have saved all the 10s, and now I'm just 20s. Hold on. Y'all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y'all, I saved all the 10s. Gosh darn it. So I thought I had 10s to save. I know I don't have any 5s, and I know I don't have any 1s. So all the 10s are saved in here. I guess when I did my last cash stuff and I saved it. And so now, let me move that up. Now I have to just save the 20s, I guess. So these are the 2 real 20s that I have. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the fake 20s. So I'm gonna take out 2 because I do have 2 $20 bills here, and I'm going to put those in my real 20s. And then I also, so now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120 to save. So I just took 40 out of the cash, and so that means that I have $60 left. And I think I'm gonna do another 20. I'm gonna try and switch out some money. So let me do my thingamajiggy. Let's put this here. Oh, sorry y'all, shaking the table every time. So I'm gonna switch out a 20. Oh, look at all the Jamaican money. Let's switch it out of travel, because since I'm here in, let me do these, that 10, this 5 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, 50, 60. Okay, so this is that. So this should be 20. So this is 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so this is $20 from the travel. I'm going to, this is a pretty, listen, travel is gonna get used. This is a pretty 5. Okay, I'm gonna take these 5 ones because that's a pretty 5. I wanted to go, you know, wherever it was going. So this should have $35 in there. So let me try and get this together, y'all. Let me try and get me together. This is 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, so this is $35, and I'm gonna put that back in travel because that's what's supposed to be in there. And so now I have a extra 20. And so this, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 100. Okay, so I'm gonna take another fake 20 and put it to the side. I'm gonna take this real 20 and put with here. So I should have 5 fake 20s and I should have 5 real 20s. And so that will equal, yep, all the 20s. So I should have 10 in total. So this is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 141, 61, 80, 200. So y'all, we're halfway done with the 20s. This is just 100 and then it's done, and then on to 50s and $100 bills. While I am excited for that to come, your girl is also shook it. Okay, come on now. This, let's see how much is the hundreds and the tens themselves. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's $1,000. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So this is $1,500 that I have to save between both of these. And I got time for that. We do. We're gonna make time. But you know, the bank account's like, girl, calm down. So after like the 20s are done, the only thing I can do for saving challenges are 50 plus. Like I can't do nothing below that, because otherwise it would just have to be the 100 envelope challenge, and I wouldn't be contributing anything to the 10 of a kind saving challenge. So we're gonna see how the next couple months gonna look with us doing these saving challenges. Okay, so that's that. We're gonna move that to the side, and we are gonna take up the 100 envelope challenge. We're gonna move this to the side too. We're gonna do the 100 envelope challenge. So I do have $40, so 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. I do have $40 here. I think I do have 40 available. Let me see. 38, 39. Oh, child, 40. Okay, so 40 is available, and the reason I'm gonna do 40 is because I want the higher numbers to be completed. So I'm low-key trying to save all the smaller ones that I can. So 6 is still available. Is 7 still available? 7 still available. 6 still available. 7 still available. 11, 12, all of this. Yeah, all of these. I'm trying to keep the lower numbers available as much as possible. In the new year, I might, you know, switch it up and do the higher numbers. But for now, ooh, surprise, right? Yes, surprise. So for now, though, I am trying to get the bigger numbers completed. That's the only reason I would say that I'm gonna do the full 40 into one slot, except to like break it up, you know, because I could break it up. I could have done 25 and 15 if I'm not mistaken. So there goes 15. Oh, 25 is filled already, but I can do any other number and give them an extra. But I was like, you know what, let's do this because this would be better for our, you know, later time when all we got after that is the big numbers. Because these ones back here, did I complete the 100? Oh, I did complete the 100. I completed 100, y'all. Oh, I was excited to see that. But yeah, that is it. That is all we're gonna do for the Cash Stuffing of the Wand envelope challenge. I did not even remember that. That's the exciting thing about doing these cash envelopes. Like, you know, you did something, but then to see it too, like, oh my god. Anyways, y'all, that was the end of the video. That was all the cash stuffing that there was to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I am really excited about completing these challenges because, baby, between both of them, I should have $1,850 or $1,910 if I'm not mistaken. Something like that. Not 1,000, but 6,000. It's either 6,800 or 6,900 and change, like one or the other between these two challenges. So I'm super excited for that, and we're waiting on it. So anyways, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, again, add your 2 cents down below in the comment box because we'd love to hear from you. If you enjoy this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button to share it out to the masses. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Anique, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.